In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple issues in Jira. Whether you're managing a project, tracking bugs, or setting tasks, understanding how to efficiently create multiple issues can save you time and keep your project organized. So let's dive into the steps and get started. First, you need to head over to the Your Work section in Jira. This is essentially your home base where you can see all the tasks and projects that are on your plate. To get there, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL of your Jira workspace. If you're already logged in, you should see a tab or option called Your Work. Click on that. This will show you a list of all your recent projects and activities, giving you an overview of what's going on. Now, from the list of projects that appear, you need to select the project you are currently working on. This is a critical step because issues need to be associated with a specific project to track progress and updates efficiently. Click on the project name or icon that you're interested in. You'll now be taken to the main page for that specific project, where all related issues, tasks, and updates are consolidated. Once you are in the project view, click on the backlog option. The backlog is a holding area for all the tasks and issues that are yet to be worked on or scheduled for work. It's like a to-do list that hasn't been prioritized yet. By navigating to the backlog, you get a clear picture of what needs to be done and can better organize your issues. The backlog view typically presents all the planned tasks and allows you to drag and drop items, as well as create and edit them. This functionality is handy for project managers and team members alike to shuffle work around as priorities change. Here comes the main part, creating multiple issues. In the backlog view, you'll notice a button or an option labeled Create Issue. Go ahead and click on this. A form or window will pop up, allowing you to enter the details of the first issue you want to create. Fill in the necessary information like the summary, description, assignee, priority, and any other details that are relevant to your task. It's important to be as detailed as possible so that everyone who views this issue understands what needs to be done without needing further clarification. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, you can click the Create button. But here's the best part, after you create this issue, you can go right ahead and click Create Issue again to make another one. Repeat the process, entering all the information for each new issue you want to add to the project. This feature makes it really convenient to handle bulk issue creation without exiting to another screen or tab. It keeps your workflow seamless, especially when you have a batch of related tasks to document all at once. Remember, while creating these issues, you can also take advantage of templates or already existing issues as references if your Jira setup provides these options. This can significantly speed up the process and ensure consistency across similar types of tasks. If your organization has specific naming conventions or taggings, make sure to adhere to those to maintain clarity and uniformity. Once all your issues are created, you can effectively manage and prioritize them within the backlog or other boards in Jira. If at any point you realize an issue needs modification, you can simply navigate back to the backlog, find the issue, and make the necessary edits. This flexibility ensures that your projects are always aligned with the latest priorities and action items. Creating multiple issues in Jira doesn't just help with tracking tasks, it fosters improved team collaboration and communication. When everyone knows exactly what's expected, projects run smoother, and goals are achieved more efficiently. So go ahead and start adding those issues to your Jira instance, ensuring that your project stays organized and productive. That's it for today's guide on creating multiple issues in Jira. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing with Jira.